Welcome to my channel. Let's start with a slip knot. Then make 17 chains. Starting from the second chain, make single crochet in each chain in total 16. Single crochet for row 1 and row 2, with 1 chain at the end of each row. Then on row 3 make 5 single crochet. Row 3. On the 5th SC we are going to change the color of yarn. This is the 5th spool. We'll complete it with the mustard yarn. Then make 1 chain and pull the both colored yarn to tighten it. Then on the 6th chain of row 2 we will do for double crochet. Also keep the white yarn underneath, as we will be switching the color again. So you will have 5 loops on the hook. Take the yarn over and pull through all 5 loops and make 1 chain. Then on the 7th chain of row 2 make a slip stitch. Then again on the 8th chain of row 2. Make 4 DC so you have 5 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn through all at once and make 1 chain. On the 9th chain of row 2 make a slip stitch. Remember to bring the white yarn along underneath. Then on the 10th chain of row 2, make 4 DC so you have 5 loops on the hook. Then pull the yarn through all and make 1 chain. Make a slip stitch on 11th chain of row 2. Then on 12th chain of row 2, make for DC so you have 5 loops on the hook. Then pull the yarn through all and make 1 chain. Now we will leave the mustard yarn behind. Take the white yarn and make slip stitch on 13th chain of row 2 and make 1 chain. Pull the bot yarns to tighten the project. Don't forget the chain after a slip stitch. Then do single crochet on 14, 15 and 16th chain of row 2 and make 1 chain at the end of the row 3. Row 4. Make 16 single crochet. And we are going to bring the mustard yarn along to complete the letter. Instead of cutting, I like this one better, as you have less ends to weave and a clean letter even from back. 16 SC1 chain at the end of row 4. We will leave the mustard yarn behind when we will do our 12th. And continue with the white yarn. Make sure to count the row 4 for 16 single crochet. Now we will do 3 SC for DC on 4th chain and row a slip 5. Stitch on 5th. 3 single crochet. On the 3rd SC, we will change the yarn and make 1 chain. Pull both the yarns to tighten the project. Then on the 4th chain of row 4, make for double crochet. You will have 5 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn through all and make 1 chain. Then leave the mustard yarn, but keeping it along as we will use it in the same row later. On 5th chain of row 4. Then make 1 chain. Make single crochet on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11th chain of row 4. Keep the mustard yarn underneath to bring along. SC on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11th chain. We are going to change the color on 11th chain. Scan, make 1 chain. Then on the 12th chain, make for double crochet. So you have 5 loops left on the hook. Pull the yarn through all 5 loops and make 1 chain. Then on the 13th chain, make a slip stitch and change the yarn to white at the same time. Leave the mustard yarn behind and make a slip stitch and 1 chain. Then make single crochet on 14, 15, and 16th chain. Complete the row with 1 chain at the end. Now turn around, make 16 SC for row 6. Repeat row 5 exactly the same for row 7. Then 16 SC on row 8. So I am back after completing the row 8. Now we are going to repeat the row 3 for row 9. So do 5 sk. Change the yarn on 5th. For double crochet on 6th chain and 1 chain. Slip stitch on 7th chain. Then just repeat the processes we did for row 3. Just a reminder to count your 16 single crochet when you do a complete row at the back. After each row, end the row with 1 chain. The first half of our letter is complete, and the other half is exactly the same. Don't forget to keep along your mustard yarn, even at the back when doing only so I have almost completed the other half for our letter. This is how it looks so far. So we will complete our letter with the one last bobble stitch. Do let me know if you have questions in the comments below. Thanks for taking the time and watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe my video. We started with 2 rows of only 16 single crochet. So we will complete the letter with 2 rows of 16s. And I will cut the mustard yarn and weave in that while doing this is the last row. We will cut the yarn, which would be the only end to weave, and complete our work with 1 chain. Thanks for watching.